Welcome back again. It's Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 16. Today we're working on telling time. We're on page 101, and that's it. There is no page 102 tonight, so just 101. You should be able to knock this out pretty quick and get back to hanging out with your family. All right, it says write the time. Okay, that's it. Write the time. That's all we got to do. I'll help with one of these and one of these down here, and then the rest is going to be on you. Okay. This one says, so look at the hour hand. The hour hand is between the 11 and the 12. So that means it has to be 11. I'll put our little dots there. And then let's look. Remember, every one of these numbers is worth 5. So if we're counting, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and that's when the hour changes. So if we count again by 5s, you can count all these little marks if you want, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a lot to count, but you can always do that if you can see them. So we're pointing at the 3, and each one of these is worth 5. So 3 times 5 is going to tell us it's what time. 3 times 5, 5, 10, 15. It's 11:15. We can't say AM or PM because we don't really know right now. So we're going to go with 11:15. Okay. Remember, I'll help with the hour hand because sometimes that can be tricky. So right now we're between the 8 and the 9 over here, right? The red one. If we kind of draw the straight line going, we can see we're between the 8 and the 9. So because it hasn't gone past the 9 yet, it can't be 9. It hasn't gotten to 9, so it can't be 9. So this is going to be 8 something over here. Over here, if we extend this one out, remember, we're not here yet. So until you pass this number, it still has to be this number. Okay? That's all I'm helping with those. On the bottom, draw the missing hand on each clock to show the time. So it says 1:45, 10:30, 5:15. So if we break this clock up like a piece of pizza into 4 pieces, okay, we're going to break it like this, nice and even. So we have 4 pieces now. So that's going to be 4 is called quarters. So in 1 hour, we have 4 quarters. Just like in $1, you have 4 quarters. So 1/4 to 2. 1/4 to 2. So we need to have 1/4 of the clock until it turns to 2 o'clock, right? It's not 1/4 past, 1/4 to. That means it's almost 2 o'clock. But we have 1/4 until we get to 2 o'clock. So if each section is 15 minutes, okay, we need 1/4 until it's almost 2 o'clock. So that means we're 3/4 through the hour with 1/4 left until we get to the next hour. So if we're going, this is 1/4. So this is 1/4 past 2. This is 1/2 past 2 because if we split the clock in half and we're still between the 1 and the 2, I'm sorry. Yeah. Nah, I messed up here. It's at 2 o'clock. I apologize. So this is 1/4 past 1 because we have not got to the 2 yet. Okay. Now here we're still not to the 2. So now we're 1/2 past 1 at this one. Our next one, we've gone through 1, 2, 3 quarters because this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, and this is 1/4, right? So if we got 1, 2, 3. So we got 1, 2, 3 quarters. We're 3 quarters here. This right here, look, we have 1/4 until we get to 2 o'clock. So that's where we want our minute hand to go. So just do the best you can. Draw something over here. Your teacher's going to know what you mean. Give something nice and neat like that, and that'll help you. So the next one says 1/2 past 10. Remember, you draw this on your clock. We're working on quarters and halves. Okay? Think of this like a pizza. Oops, that's not very dark. Think of it like a pizza, right? You have to start here because that's where it starts. What number are you going to point at if you want half the pizza? Remember, we're using the 12 to start us. So half the pizza, we want to have half the clock. And then our last one, let's draw our line again real quick and make this into quarters. 9 to 3. There we go. So this says a quarter past 5, so barely past 5. So it was just 5 o'clock. It's only a quarter past it. So which number? All right, we got our, it would have pointed 12, 3, 6, or 9. We're just 1 quarter past it right now. Remember over here, this might help. Each section's worth a quarter. Technically, this would be 1 quarter here, 2 quarters, 3 quarters. And after you get to here, that would be 4 quarters when you get up to here. So that would be a full clock. That would be the hour change time. So over here, which one just gives you only used 1 quarter? All right? All right. That's lesson 16. I'm Mr. Short. I'll see you for lesson 17. Have a good night.